Couponing with D, and I am back with another video. I have gone shopping at 2 different stores, 3 different deals. The first one I want to talk about are on the ink pens. The zebra pens at Walmart are $2.97. If you submit the receipt to Ibotta, they give you back $1.50 in cashback rewards, limit of 2 packs of ink pens. After I got my rebate back, final cost $1.47. Next, let's talk about the Babo paper towels. Babo is on sale this week, $8.99 each. Buy 2, get 3 extra bucks, limit of 1 deal. I paired that up with a buy 2, get 1 free Babo paper towels, a 4 off of 20 household paper products, and a $3 beauty buck. Out of pocket was $10.98, and I got back $3.22 because you get back that 2% savings at the end of the receipt as well. The next deal I want to talk about is on the Colgate. I purchased 2 Colgate mouthwash. This week they are on promo. Spend $10, get 5 extra bucks on select Colgate products. At my store, they are $5.19. I paired each one up with a 50 cents off 1 7/18 Smart Source coupon. The toothpaste in my store is priced at $15.99. This week they are on promo. Buy 1, get 3 extra bucks. I paired that up with the digital coupon, $3 off 1 multi-packs only. I also used a 5 off of 25 Colgate Oral Care. I rolled 7 extra bucks. My subtotal was $10.37. I used a $5 gift card, making it $5.37. And then I got back 8 extra bucks plus 21 cents in the 2% savings. That is all I have for today. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video, but also hit the notification bell so you'll get every video I put up on time when I do. Until next time, bye.